In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for Slack. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or simply messaging a friend, clear, polished communication is key. Although Grammarly isn't integrated directly into Slack, there's a simple way you can leverage it to enhance your messaging experience. To get started, you'll want to head over to your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Chrome is ideal because it supports the Grammarly extension that we'll be working with. Once you're there, navigate to the Extensions section of the browser and search for Grammarly for Chrome. This search should take you to the Chrome Web Store, where installing the extension is a breeze. If this is your first time doing it, don't worry. It's quick and straightforward. Once you find the extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Just click Next to proceed. After confirming, click Continue to wrap up the installation process. It's crucial to ensure the extension is properly installed, so look for a small G icon in the top right corner of your browser. This icon indicates that Grammarly is active and ready to assist you. With Grammarly now installed on your Chrome browser, we shift our focus back to Slack. Head back to Slack and open up the message editor just as you would when gearing up to communicate with your team or an individual contact in a channel. Start typing your message as you normally would. Thanks to the Grammarly extension, you'll notice a small Grammarly icon in the corner of the message editor field. This icon is your gateway to improved writing within Slack. As you type, Grammarly automatically reviews your content for any spelling or grammatical errors. If it detects any issues, the icon will highlight them for your attention. By clicking on these highlighted areas, you'll be able to view Grammarly's suggestions for correcting or enhancing your message. This process is incredibly simple, and yet, the benefits are significant. Grammarly doesn't stop at catching errors. It goes a step further by offering suggestions that can make your writing more concise and impactful. If you ever encounter uncertainties or errors, just click the highlighted areas, and Grammarly will guide you with solutions or improvements for each point. This seamless integration means that, without any additional steps, you can ensure your Slack messages are as polished and professional as possible. By following this guide, you'll have all the tools necessary to craft flawless messages in Slack, bolstered by the trusted expertise of Grammarly right at your fingertips. Whether it's catching overlooked errors or enhancing the tone of your message, you'll consistently present your best self in your communications. Happy chatting!